Hey trumpet players, it's hard to believe, but we're already at video lesson number 5. We're looking at page 10 in our band book, and we're talking about eighth notes. So get your book open to page 10, and let's learn about eighth notes. If I filled a measure up with eighth notes, how many of them could I fit in the measure? 8. 8 eighths makes a whole measure. Think about all the notes that we now know. We know about the whole note. The whole note, of course, gets the whole measure. It's a 4-beat note. If I divide my whole note in half, I have 2 half notes. Each half note is going to be worth 2 beats. If I divide my half notes in half, I now have 4 notes, each worth 1 beat. And now we're dividing our quarter notes in half to make eighth notes. How many eighth notes fit into each beat? Well, there are 4 beats in the measure, and I can fit as many as 8 eighth notes in the measure. So let's see. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 eighth notes per beat. Okay? And how do we count them? Well, look at exercise 40 on page 10. It asks us to clap. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's what you're going to do with me right now. So you can put your trumpet down on your lap or next to you, wherever you're practicing at home, and we're looking at exercise 40, and I see 4 eighth notes. I like to say TT when I have 2 eighth notes. This is 4 eighth notes, so it would be T, 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 and quarter notes are ta. So let's clap this rhythm and say it using T, T, and ta, and if we get to a rest, we'll say rest. And there's a repeat sign, so let's count and clap this exercise number 40 twice. 1, 2, here we go. T, 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 ta, ta. T, 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 ta, rest. T, T, ta, T, T, ta, T, 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 ta, do it again. T, 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 ta, ta. T, 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 ta, rest. T, T, ta, T, T, ta, T, 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 ta. Great. Pick up your trumpet and let's play the rhythm that we see in exercise 40, rhythm rap. Let's play it on an E. So all we have to do is concentrate on tonguing that rhythm. Boy, now you're really seeing why tonguing is so incredibly important as we play our instrument. So we're going to play this rhythm, and I'm going to go T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 ta. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, tongue. And we'll stop right there for a second. So obviously I'm using the note E when I play this exercise. So let's do it again from the very beginning, and this time we'll keep going. 1, 2, T, T, play. Rest. Beginning. Rest. Rest. Boy, tonguing is really important. The more you do this, the more you work at learning these rhythms, the better your tonguing is going to get, and the better your overall playing will be. Exercise 41, eighth note jam, uses the same rhythm that we were just playing, but now we'll change notes as we play. We begin on our bottom space F. We go from the first measure of playing all Fs, and the second measure we go up 1 note higher from F, and of course that is open valved G. We go to the third measure of the song, we go up 1 note again. We start on A's, and then we go to F's, right? A, F, 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 and then we finish with 4 E's, E, 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 F. So let's do this. Here we go. We'll play the first 2 measures and then we'll pause. 1, 2, 4 F's, then G's. And we'll stop just for a second. Let's do that again. T, 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 ta, ta on F, and then T, 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 ta on G. 1, 2, ready. Rest. Do that again. A, F, F, F. Ready, and play. That's pretty cool. A, F, 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 E, 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 F. And the last 2 measures of this exercise, my first valve stayed down for every note. It never moved. Let's play the whole thing from the very beginning. There's a repeat sign, so we'll do it twice. Starts on F's, goes to G's. 1, 2, ready, go. A's. Beginning. A. Rest. All right, 8th notes. We're going to play 8th notes all the time. All the time. Got to get used to playing them. Got to get used to tonguing them. And what you're going to discover is that as you learn how to identify your notes quickly and easily and effortlessly, now you can start beginning to spend more time thinking about the rhythms that you are seeing. The notes should become automatic as far as identifying and fingering your notes, and you can concentrate on tonguing the rhythms that you see, and then you'll be really good. Take a look at song number 42, Skip to My Lou. We start on E's, we go to C's, we go back to E's, and then we go to a G. So it's all open and 1 and 2 at the beginning of this, pretty easy. Let's say the rhythm using ta and ti as we look at Skip to My Lou. Ready, here we go. Ta, ti, 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 ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, 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 ta. Second line. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ta. Ooh, we saw some low B's, didn't we, in the second half of the first line. At the breath mark on the first line, we're on D's, going to B's, going back to D. We did that on Doodle all day, too, didn't we? Yep. Here we go. Let's play the first 2 measures of Skip to My Lou. Ta, ti, 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 ta. 1, 2, ready, play. Let's do that again. Ready? We continue on D, 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 B, 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 D, D, F. Ready and play. You might have had difficulty with that. That's pretty tricky. Let's do it again. Ready, play. Go to the next line. It's just like the beginning. E, 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 C, 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 E, E, G. Ready? And now the ending. D, E, F, E, D. Do that again with me. D, E, F, E, D. Again, that first valve stays down for all those notes. D, E, F, E, D, ends on C, C. Play that. 1, 2, ready, go. Again. Again. Rest. All right, so there's a quick 11-minute lesson for my trumpet players on getting them started on eighth notes. Keep up the great work, guys.